Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make sea moss body butter. First, gather your ingredients: raw sea moss, shea butter, coconut oil, and your favorite essential oils. You'll also need distilled water for the sea moss gel. Make sure all your tools, like blenders and jars, are thoroughly cleaned. This preparation ensures a smooth and hygienic process for your homemade body butter. Next, let's prepare the sea moss gel. Rinse about 1/4 cup of dry sea moss very well to remove any impurities. Then, soak it in distilled water for 4 to 6 hours until it expands. After soaking, blend the softened sea moss with 1 cup of fresh distilled water until it forms a smooth, thick gel. This gel is the foundation of your luxurious body butter. Now, it's time to combine everything. Gently melt 1/2 cup of shea butter and 1/4 cup of coconut oil in a double boiler. Let the melted oils cool down a bit, but not solidify. Then, add 1/2 cup of your prepared sea moss gel to the oil mixture. Stir well and incorporate about 10 to 15 drops of your preferred essential oil for a delightful scent. Finally, let's whip it into a beautiful body butter. Use an electric mixer to whip the combined ingredients for several minutes. Continue until the mixture becomes light, fluffy, and has a creamy, butter-like consistency. Once whipped, transfer your homemade sea moss body butter into a clean, airtight jar. Store it in a cool, dark place to maintain its freshness and efficacy for weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.